charge, only one will go up. And kita mo naman, even with the bravest fighter, Soriano is still surviving. He's still getting hunted down though. Elton, makahanap ng opening para mahuli siya. And down goes Vinuya. Mapapatagal pa yata ang laban na to. Ito nasa harapan. Naku po, mali yata ng nilabanan. Si Pabiko yan. Maasin din yan maglaro. And he will fall.
And yes, 3 inhibitor turrets ang nakuha ng Pilipinas, pero that was a surprisingly good trade mula sa Malaysia. They were able to capitalize doon sa confidence play na ginawa ni Nepomuceno, papasok doon kay Danish. They were able to secure that mainly because of Elton landing that falling star moon na nagbigay ng espasyo para sa Malaysia na makadepensa pa. And I would say, no, in terms of all of the performances sa depensa ng Malaysia doon, Zeke and Elton able to hold the line para dito sa Malaysia. Pero 30 segundos na lang bago lumabas ang pangalawang Lord ng larong ito. Malaki ang kalamangan ng Pilipinas in terms of our map control. 3 lanes ang tumutulak na naman at medyo malabo, pero hindi naman imposible na makakuha ng tsansa ang Malaysia sa upcoming Lord natin.
Yeah, if I were Team Malaysia, it feels like crucial or to at least try to go for the steal without losing too many members. I think yun na talaga eh. Kasi pag hindi ka lumaban dito, parang ano ka na lang eh, parang mag-evaporate na lang kayo eh, nang walang laban. Parang ayaw mo yata mangyari yun, di ba? So, let's see if that's gonna happen here. Definitely, Malaysia trying to extend out of their base. Na-push naman nila in manage yung waves. Look at that, though. Pabiko again with the pick-off or the pick-off attempt. Nagulo ang plano. Sana ng Malaysia na magkuha ng steal doon sa Lord. And now, it's a 4v5. And the Lord is gonna be traded for Pabiko. I'm not sure if that's worth it. I think kayang-kaya pa rin naman. We'll have to wait and see sa susunod na magiging laban.
No feathered airstrike para dito sa Team Philippines, pero sa 5v4 scenario na ito, malaki pa rin naman ang kanilang kalamangan. Flicker is available para dito kay Vinuya. Siya magiging susi in terms of the engage mula dito sa Pilipinas.
And look at that, Vinuya using the flicker penalty zone. Gagamit muna ng Winter Crown. And the damage is real. Actually, tinatamaan pa rin. Ang damage ay nanggagaling sa likod. Bang, 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 bang! Pinapato sila. And look at that, going straight for the base na. And mula noon, hanggang ngayon, ginto pa rin para sa Pilipinas.
Gold medal secured para sa Sibol. Team Philippines ang mananaig kontra Malaysia in a dominant 4-0 sweep. At kitang-kita ang saya sa Sibol ngayon kasama kanilang coach si Coach RC, and that was